So I am back with another video. It's going to be a little bit different today. I'm kind of excited about this one. So I've got my INKBOX tattoo little thing that I got in the mail. I've actually had this for about like a week maybe, but I wanted to do a video on it, and so I did a Instagram little poll, and lots of people said they wanted to see this, so I am going to be doing it. So inside the box I bought 6 temporary tattoos. The reason I actually found this was Instagram, and they kept advertising it, and so I clicked on the ad, I looked at the website, they had really cool designs. So they had quotes, they had like nature roses, they had like all types of things, so I thought that was really cool. And I've always thought about getting a tattoo, like maybe like a teensy tiny one, but commitment issues and pain, I cannot deal with pain. I just thought it seemed like a really good idea, and I like the look of like certain tattoos and everything, so I was like, heck, why not? So it was a bit pricey, to be fair. So for 6 tattoos, and this was buy one get one 50% off, it was about like $90. So I don't know how much that is in pounds, but it was a bit pricey. But so inside, so it says temporary bad decisions. Inside you get the tattoo, oh my god, everything's falling out, cloth, a wipe, ink instructions. So I'm gonna do like an actual tattoo in the video to like show you guys how it's done. I'm a little bit scared because it's like, it says don't place the like blue ink where you don't want it because it's gonna be there. So I look bored right now actually, I'll put that back. I'm gonna show you some of the other ones I got. So I got one with like an airplane and a heart. I thought that was really cute. I got this little giraffe. I might do the giraffe actually, I don't know. I got a big one. Your body is a canvas. Oh, this one's it's lovelies. This one I wanted to do on like the back of my spine. Like, I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool. It's like these little flowers that go down. Oh gosh. This one I thought was really cool. It's like a sun and moon going down. I think I'm gonna start small though, because I've never done this before. I might do this one that says breathe. Oh, I might do this one actually, because this one's quite cool, but I don't know where to put it. Okay, I'm gonna do this one right here. So let's take it out of the... This looks really cool. Okay. From the tab, slowly peel the white backing of the ink box. The design should be facing you. Okay. There we go. Place your tattoo sticky side down. You can only stick it once, so make sure to get it right on the first time, it says. Oh my god, I don't know. Oh my god, this is actually quite scary. Okay. Even though it's not like a proper tattoo, but I'm just like, I want it to look nice. It's going there. The reason why I like this tattoo as well, because I like to travel as well, and it had hearts and everything, so I don't know. Okay, it's going on. As well, I bought these tattoos like before I'm going on holiday. I'm going to visit everyone in England where I used to live for 2 weeks for my birthday celebrations, because my birthday is April 8th, so I'm pretty excited. I'm reading the instructions here. Put on the gloves and peel off the black INKBOX sticker from the tab. I am going to put the cloth in the microwave for 10 seconds because I'm in my room right now and the microwave's downstairs, so I'm gonna do it, like, get ready for that. Okay, I am back from the microwave. I forgot I had this on actually. Okay, I'm putting the gloves on now. This is proper exciting. I'm out of breath as well from running up the stairs. One, I feel like a scientist, like a mad scientist. What side's supposed to be the pinky side? I hope you can hear me by the way as well. Okay, so I've got my gloves on and I'm gonna peel the black INKBOX sticker from the tab. Peel. It says peel here. Okay. If I can do this. Bloody lovely. Open the small wipe packet. Wipe. And wipe it over the blue fabric. This is kind of fun, but scary as well. Okay, this is where the cloth comes in. It's hot from the microwave. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Lovely. It says turn it into a square, and it says get ready to hold for 15 minutes. I don't have a watch on me. Oh wow, okay, 3, 2, 1. It's going. I'm not going to film for 15 minutes, but it says firm pressure is a key for a dark tattoo. Bloody well hope this works.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
The one thing I really like about INKBOX is it gives you all like the tools you need, and the instructions are quite simple actually. And they give you everything you need with each tattoo as well, so it's quite cool. Oh my god, I'm tired already. It's only been a minute.
12 seconds later.
Okay, this is boring. So I do a little thumbnail. Changing positions. I'm trying to be firm. My arm hurts though. But yeah, these are supposed to last 2 weeks, so hopefully it should be good.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so after holding this for 15 minutes, oh my shit, oh my god. Well, I was gonna take it off really nicely, but it just slid off, and I thought it was gonna like, this part was gonna rub against my skin, because it's like, that's not supposed to happen. I'm gonna put that down. I'm reading the instructions here. Peel the tattoo. I've already done that. Okay, so I'm peeling it off in the direction that my hair grows. So I'm gonna go that way. Oh my god, ow. Ow. Okay, can you see it? One thing I noticed straight away is that it did smudge a little bit on near the heart thing. So that's a bit annoying, but it looks good, it looks good. Then it says, after peeling, wait 5 minutes to let the area dry and then gently rinse your skin with soap and water to remove excess ink. Pat the area dry. Your tattoo will develop in 24 to 36 hours. Watch the magic happen. And it says, keeping your skin well moisturized is the #1 way to help your tattoo last as long as possible. Once the tattoo has fully developed, moisturize your skin daily and avoid scrubbing the area. There we go. I will do like an updated like picture or video maybe of the tattoo like in its full glory, because it's meant to develop properly. I'm happy with this first design. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna take these gloves off. Oh, that's hot. I'm also gonna just read from the back what it says. So it says it's made with natural ingredients, it's not tested on animals, which is really good, water resistant, develops in 24 to 36 hours, and long lasting, it says 8 to 18 days. That is pretty promising. I'm excited to do the rest of them. I'm like just waking up, but I thought I'd do a little update on my arm. So actually I might turn the camera around, wait. So this is my tattoo right now. As you can see, it's smudged a bit, but I think it's my own fault because it wasn't this smudged before. First of all, I put on lotion, and then I read later that it said you shouldn't do it before 24 hours. It says you should moisturize it lots after the 24 hours, but I did not. I thought it just said moisturize it, so I put a ton load of moisturizer on. And then second of all, I had my Apple Watch, and then during the night I realized it was at the part like the tip of the airplane, and I feel like, I don't know, it's smudged a bit as well because of that, because it also said don't wear tight clothing or stuff. So that is my update, but it still looks cool from far away. So I've just got back from like dinner and everything. I thought I'd give you an update. Actually, I'll turn it around probably, wait. It's annoying that I've moisturised and everything, but it's really like deepened, it's darkened. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, I'm happy with it. I want to try with my other tattoo, so yeah, there you go. And I hope you got something out of this video. Please, if you are new, subscribe down below. I've got my James Charles Morphe palette giveaway still going, and thank you guys all for 2,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I remember starting out with just like my friends subscribed, like I don't know, like 20 to 50 people. So we've come a long way. I'm really excited. I've got loads of videos in mind as well, and I don't know, I'm just happy. And I hopefully give this video a thumbs up if you want me to vlog during my 2-week holiday to England and everything, and comment down below as well. So yeah, I think that's all I've got to say. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all them social media things. But yeah, oh my god, I keep wanting to touch it. It said 5 minutes, should I blow on it? Is that gonna help? I don't know. I will see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching.